Woo, woo. How you horrors doing today? Hi. I go by the name of Black Youngster. I was in 3 letters CMG Heavy Camp. You see? It's my shit. What's up? I ain't want none. I just kind of tell you I was back, bitch.
I like that. And your hoodie.
Thank you. How old you is?
17. How old is you?
Shit, you like my hat and my hoodie. I like you.
Really? I didn't realize what you said, bro.
Where you from?
Georgia. Where you from?
VA. That's 8 hours away.
And who said I won't take hours to come see you?
Shit, I'm hopping on a flight. I'll come see you.
Really?
Just because I got these girls' number, don't think they gonna hear from me after this. It's just all for fun. This is sport.
And, hey, look. Damn, you bad. Where you from? You from Houston?
You said what?
I said you bad. Where you from, Houston?
I'm from Texas. I'm by Houston. I'm not in Houston.
Shit, I'm in Houston.
You in Henrico?
No, I'm in Houston. They just say that because that's where I got it from. But now, how old you is?
19.
You ever been with a rich nigga before?
You said what?
You ever been with a rich nigga before?
No.
Or you just ran into one?
Y'all know what's going on, and so do I.
Wait, what's your Instagram?
Give me yours. Alright.
Rate me real quick.
Look in the camera. How tall are you?
6 foot.
9.
Nah.
Yeah.
I'm not pulling out, my nigga.
I want to rate you. What's your Instagram? Hey, Ron.
You got it.
Yeah, hold on. Damn, why your shit on private for? Alright, good. That's all I got. Oh, you run track?
Where
Where you from?
North Carolina. Oh, you're cute.
Not too far.
I like your hair.
I want you for real. Stop playing. Why you keep playing with me? I've been told you I want you. I'm God.
Thank
you. Okay, now click on a me part 2 and go all the way to the end, cause I'm not playing. Go all the way to the end, please.
How old you is?
17.
Okay.
Keep going like all the way to the end.
Yeah, what, 2024?
Yeah. Well, like anywhere from July to now. I was looking good in July. It's my birthday month.
Okay. Oh, so you about to turn 18?
You're not smiling, so I must be ugly.
But I didn't even get to it yet. It's already get down pictures. I'm gonna start December 6th. Yeah. Okay. Are you bad? Alright. Well, it's a keeper. Find us keeper. I'm gonna text you.
Alright, yeah, text me.
And that, kids, is how I met your mother.
I have dreads.
Alright, well, like.
No, his dreads are too short.
So my dress too short.
That's you? He's cute.
short.
No, cause the way that short.
You're fine. Che, I think she can hear me or not. Hello? Pokey, can you hear me? She's on my body, bro. I know it may not look like it, bro, but she on my body, bro. No cap. You can't tell me that's cap, bro.
Oh, sorry.
And my dress red.
That's cute. Half of my hair is red.
Alright, so me, you got something in common, so follow me. Follow me, what's up? I got cash on the money. Yeah, that's all I know. I'm not a scammer.
Wait, read it to me.
DEE. The number 2. H 0, like the number 0, and then TT. You know I already come over. Yeah, I was fucking rough. Trying to have some baby. Fuck, what up? You follow me?
Mhm.
Okay. What do you do here?
Mhm.
Where you from?
Cali.
I'm gonna text you. Have a nice night, man. Fuck.
Yeah.
How you doing?
What's up? How you doing?
Where you from?
I'm from North Carolina. Where you from?
North Carolina. Everybody on this picture is from North Carolina.
Where's you from?
I'm from VA. Where you from? No, how old you is? I'm at.
Where?
How old you is?
Answer my question, yo.
I said Virginia, DMV.
Oh, type shit.
How old you is?
17.
17. Okay, I'm gonna ask you a question. What's your type?
Like, you want me to elaborate on, like, looks wise, personality wise?
Look wise.
Like I said, I only have a friend. If I like you and I'm attracted to you, I'm attracted to you. Simple.
So you like me?
What?
Do you like me?
I'm not out here rizzing up, man. They out here rizzing me.
Where y'all from?
Where y'all from?
New York.
What you doing that for?
What are you doing that for?
Hello?
Hello?
Hi. Hi.
I'm talking to both of y'all.
I'm talking to both of y'all. I don't know which one I like.
Y'all both look good.
Y'all both look good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Say y'all from New York?
Say y'all from New York?
Yes.
What part of New York?
What part of New York?
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. Okay. How old y'all live?
How old y'all live?
18.
Okay. So which one of y'all can follow me on this one?
Follow me on this one?
Okay.
I bet. Follow me.
I bet. Follow me.
Yo, you fuck with this hoodie? Like, you fuck with the blue? Or should I change the color?
Yeah.
Oh, you fuck with? God damn.
It's whatever.
Wait, how old you is?
It's whatever you.
You said 18? Okay, I'm 18 too. Where you from?
Huh?
I said, where you from?
Jersey.
Jersey. Okay, I'm in New York right now. So, what you cooking though?
Noodles.
Hold on. See, y'all don't be noticing y'all don't be noticing. See, I'm a thought, so I know this little shit. Remember I said I wish I could change the camera view? Look at that. Look at, God damn, you know what I'm saying? That's
What?
Huh?
Well, why you laughing for?
Nothing.
No. No, though. You look good, though. Well, only pretty girls get that. Only pretty girls get that comment. I said only pretty girls get that comment.
That boy is good.
Why you keep smiling for? Hey, look though. You got Instagram? Follow me on Instagram.
Who loves that have Instagram now? Come on now.
Alright, follow me on Instagram right there.
Okay. Okay. I'm done. I searched it up.
I said follow me.
God, I'm trying to cry. I'm trying to too.
Press the whole.
Ouch, my kneecap. Okay. D. Yo. D. Okay. D. 2 H. O. Well, not a O, like a number O. TT. Z. Okay, there you go.
I ain't get it yet.
8,000 is crazy.
Alright, back. Good girl. Oh, you got a nigga?
That was like an old photo. I just used it. I tried to cross on his face, but it didn't work out.
Oh, just take it off.
Look at me, baby. Yeah, you see it, huh, baby?
What's up, D2 hot? Oh, let me see your text you. All of it.
Got this shit, you feel me?
Period.
Yeah.
That shit is hard.
It's also a blue and a red eye type shit.
Period. What was the reason behind it?
I just wanted a tattoo.
Yeah, yeah, but like, you know, you got the blue and the red, the thighs.
Oh, because everybody got red, 2 red eyes. Feel me? Try to be on some different shit.
All type shit, so not like everybody else. You should give me your Instagram right quick.
Really? Say no more. Say no more.
These are, let me see.
You might as well follow it too.
Duh. Why would I ask for it if I was not gonna follow it?
How old you were?
17, but I turned 18 July 16th.
Okay.
Type shit. Looking like the baddest bitch.
I didn't see no follow. Yeah.
Hold on. There you go. And follow me back too, boy.
I ain't getting nothing. Oh, I got it.
How you ain't getting
I
it?
got it.
Oh. Okay. Because I'm gonna get off of here. So follow me back.
Alright, I'm gonna follow.
Okay, bye, boo.
I'm not out here rizzing up, man. They out here rizzing me, man.
Hellcats, SRCs, nigga, come pull.
Hi.
How you doing? Where you from?
I'm from Boston. How about you?
Boston.
What?
I'm from Boston.
You're from Boston?
Yeah.
No, you're not.
Yeah. I'm from Chester, I think that's what it's called. I just moved.
You're funny. Yeah, you're funny.
Y'all know what they say, right? If you can make a girl laugh and giggle, you can make that ass clap and jiggle.
How old you is?
Oh, I'm 19.
19. Oh, me too. So what you like to do?
I do nails, I sing, I smoke. It's kind of it.
Okay. You be on Instagram?
Yeah.
So follow me.
Follow you, or you gonna follow me back?
Yeah.
Alright. What's your Instagram? Oh.
It's right there.
I think I just followed you. If you want to know those things, I will be my father.
Oh, you be traveling?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll be outside. I promise I'll do it.
So I'm about to travel now. I'm about to go to Dubai. Shit.
Really? Dubai?
Yeah. Dolo though.
So
Nah, it's just for.
You got me.
You're over here saying that like it's just nothing. Like
it
what?
ain't nothing. Ain't nobody go to
You're
the UK.
bugging.
Ain't nobody go to
Cool.
the UK with the guys though. I'm gonna go to the UK. Shit.
Oh, I want to go to the UK. British people are.
Well, you got friends?
Oh, friends?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So look, y'all get a plane ticket and then I got y'all with a stay because me and the guys going to UK and shit.
No, hold on. Let me just game plan. All right. First things first. This is the house. Okay, this is the crib. Okay. The main area, the most popular area, the best paying area to rizz up is theater. Okay.
Okay. I mean, I gotta get a passport.
Are y'all really?
Yeah, I'm dead ass.
I'm down to do that.
I bet. Wait, I just text you.
Alright.
You gonna text me back?
I'll text you. Huh?
You gonna text me back?
Yeah, I'm gonna text you back.
Alright, good girl.
What the fuck?
That's my name.
Why is that your name?
That's everything on social media.
Okay, where you from?
VA.
VA, what part?
Richmond.
Oh, baby, why you typing that in the comments? What's that for?
Cause that's how you spell it.
But I can see it up here for myself though. Why you putting it in the comments?
I was trying to make sure.
Oh, you trying to make sure? Oh, okay, cool.
Where you from?
And how old are you?
I'm grown.
I didn't ask all that.
And that just go to the fact when I tell a girl I'm grown, I'm gonna actually show you I'm grown. I'm just not gonna tell you I'm.
How old is you?
I'm grown.
How old is grown?
18 and higher.
Oh no, you a baby. What the fuck?
What you mean?
Just what I said.
I'm 19. I'm a baby.
Yeah, that's a baby.
How old you at?
I'm 20. Talking about J too hot.
Who?
Boy. I mean D too hot.
Yeah, please my name. You feel me? Say my name right. Man, you 1 year older.
But I'm still older than you though, right?
Yeah. Shit, I'm ready to be 20.
Okay.
I'm ready to be 22 months in 2 months.
That's in 2 months. Like what? That's not.
Grown ass man.
You's a baby. Like what?
Own
Boy.
crib, pay bills, own car.
Good boy, as you
ass
should.
man. That's a
Good boy,
grown
as you
ass-
should.
That's a grown ass man.
Yeah. High five. Cool. I'm proud of you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you better say thank you.
Fuck. Where you from?
I'm from VA.
You from VA?
Didn't I just say that?
What part?
Richmond.
Snatcher. What part of Richmond?
You said what?
What part of Richmond?
Midtown. You know what I said, little boy?
Nah. Why you keep calling me little boy? I got a name.
Oh, what's your name?
You call me D or Daddy.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss.
Yo, did you lose your mind?
Oh man.
I'm gonna call you D2 Hot.
But what we doing, bro? You want my Instagram number or something, bro, or what? Like, feel me?
Yeah, I'm gonna go look at your Instagram. Let me go look. Hold on. Let me look. Let me look. Let me
Why you
look.
trying to look? Go follow.
I'm gonna look. Let me look first.
Follow.
Hold up. Cause you typed it like you wanted me to follow it. So let me go look. Let me go look.
You can't just go looking, bro.
All right. So how tall is you? Red hair.
6 foot. Yeah, I got red hair. That's a problem.
Yeah, this gonna have to come out. That's gonna have to stop.
What the fuck?
Yeah, this is too crazy. Okay. All right, I looked. Okay. Well, you said how tall is you?
6 foot. Wanna die.
I'm gonna let you pass. I'm gonna give you a pass.
Follow me.
I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna let you pass for 6.
Are you follow so I can look too, real quick.
No, my page is private. But I just followed you though. But
Red hair.
what's going?
That shit gonna have to stop.
What?
You got red hair?
Red hair.
Yeah, that shit.
That's old. But you trying to be like me though. I feel like you really trying to. You got that from me though. The red hair.
No.
What you think?
Nah.
Oh, okay.
Follow me back.
Wait. I think I did.
Let me see.
Let me see.
Okay.
Why you not asleep though? Like.
Just got up. Just came from church. Feel me?
You just came from where?
Church. Feel me? You don't go to church?
How long was the service? What time did the service start, baby?
6. Just got back at 8.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. How was the service, boy?
But damn, you got a lot of questions. Sorry to tell.
You answering them, right?
I don't got an answer for everything.
But you answering them though, right? Okay. I thought so.
Bro, who the fuck you talking to like that? Grown ass man.
I'm talking to you. But alright, I'm about ready to get off. I'm gonna talk to you later. D2 Hot.
No, it's Daddy.
Oh, okay. Got it. Alright.
Hellcats, SRCs, nigga come pull up on me. Drive the car fast, do the dash.
Ooh. That's a pretty
the
orange.
lashes. I like the lashes.
I like the orange.
Even the eyelash slow.
Oh, got him smiling, got him blushing.
smile. That smile.
I'm trying to figure out which one I want. How old y'all?
That boy is good.
How old y'all look?
How old is
You
you?
can have Vaya.
I'm grown.
Vay's available. Vaya. She's,
Yes,
you know,
I'm not.
Vay Village.
No, I'm not.
So what's she running for?
He said what you running for? I'm not winning. Okay.
For real. Oh no.
Got too many people watching me. Bye.